Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Shiba Inus are about to go parabolic because Shytoshi just came clean about who he is. Breaking news from SHIB. Shytoshi Kozama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu, tweeted in January 2022 about a Twitter user at Shiba Inu holder, sparking rumors. For those who follow the SHIB community on Twitter, Shytoshi is dropping hints. Coming soon, a new partnership? In his vague letter, Shytoshi alluded to a conversation he had with his mentor in which they agreed that I will no longer be able to remain invisible beyond the year 2022. The real fun starts after it's unveiled, he said as he closed. The topic of Shytoshi's recent identity disclosure will be discussed in this video. Parabolic flight is imminent for Shiba Inus. Breaking news from SHIB. For further updates on our expert forecasts and coverage of the Shiba Inu prize, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. Presumably, Shytoshi will come clean about who he is. But people tend to read between the lines when people reveal their identities, since it goes against what they expect. Shytoshi hinted at a possible release of Shiba Inu soon after the New Year on Christmas Eve, saying that it will be out soon. In order to take Shiba Inu beyond its meme coin status, Shibarium and Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution is essential. Included in this is the capability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the release of the SHI stablecoin, which has been set to $0.01. Several articles about SHIB the metaverse have been discussed in recent blog postings about the Shiba Inu ecosystem, more especially on concept art unveilings of different virtual world locations. The SHIB token has lost 76% so far this year, which is comparable to the downturn experienced by Ethereum and Bitcoin. Anonymized Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi erased all traces of his online presence on Monday, leading many to wonder what would happen to the initiative moving forward. Nothing has come out of his silence on the subject, and his Twitter account is currently unresponsive. Leading developer Shytoshi shared his ideas in a medium reaction to Ryoshi's apparent departure from Shiba Inu. According to Shytoshi, he is clueless about Ryoshi's whereabouts, as stated in the post. Nevertheless, in an effort to allay fears, he said that he would be taking up the project and bringing Ryoshi's goal to fruition. This includes creating SHIB meetups and, in the long run, a Shibakan. Along with a 3% decline in the value of SHIB, the Shiba Inu price has been trending downward on its chart for the past 24 hours. Similarly, meme coin did not see any advances last week, falling below key support levels after a 6% decline in value. The current pattern that SHIB has produced suggests that the currency could see an upside breakout within the next day. On the daily chart, the technical outlook continues to provide bearish indications. For the better part of this month, sellers have kept the price where it is. To confirm an upside breakout, buyers must still get in for SHIB. The technical analysis suggests that the coin might have a correction in its chart during the next few trading sessions, followed by an upward movement. A drop in SHIB trade volume lends credence to the idea that market demand has been low. The current price of SHIB is 90% lower than its all-time high, which it achieved about a year ago. The current market price for SHIB is 0.000000000Z. The Shiba Inu price dropped below the 0.00000000082 support level throughout the last 7 days. As long as demand is minimal, the Shiba Inu price is likely to drop below the 0.000000080 mark. The coin's formation of a symmetrical triangular pattern lends credence to the idea that a breakout could trigger a rally. Meme coin is anticipated to make a breakthrough if it reaches the first local support level of $0.000000076. After breaking out, the Shiba Inu price is expected to surge to $0.000000084 USD, and if it manages to clear that level of resistance, it will continue to rise to $0.0000000 USD. Buyer interest was low because fewer Shiba Inu were traded in the previous session. Following the most recent price decline, the relative strength index fell below the 40 level. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than buyers, suggesting a negative market. Also, sellers were at the wheel of market price momentum when SHIB dropped below the 20 simple moving average line, a sign of poor demand. The meme coin might go above $20 if SHIB stays above $0.000000080. The odds of SHIB's value falling on its chart have been bolstered by other technical indications as well. A parabolic SAR plots the asset's price movement relative to its trend. The price is still in a decline since the indicator was above the price candlesticks. Price momentum and trend reversals are shown by the moving average convergence divergence. MACD's persistence in painting red histograms signaled sellers to the market. Because of the potential impact on the price of SHIB, that is, the Bitcoin market was not exactly a shining star in 2022. The price of cryptocurrencies remained low due to a number of factors, one of which being a prolonged bear market. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are presently trading at a 60% to 90% discount to their all-time highs. This is also true for Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin. At this time, it is not apparent who the enigmatic figure is concealing behind the name. Nevertheless, the screenshot accompanied by intriguing details was published in a recent tweet by Twitter user ShibBPP. The image is a screen capture from a Discord post by Kusama in which he says he was chatting with his mentor and that by year's end being invisible will be impossible. Just a few days until the end of the year 2022, the message was sent on January 21, 2022. You can't merely align and disrupt an industry while remaining unseen, he added. Subsequently, the exciting part starts. The world will never know if Kusama keeps his vow and comes clean about who he really is. Although Shiba Inu was first thought of as a meme coin, it is quickly becoming a blockchain focused on value. To get there, though, it must wean itself off of Ethereum and other antiquated systems. That clarifies how Shibarium came to be. Solution for Layer 2 blockchain on the network. Most SHIB transactions that were previously conducted on Ethereum will now be conducted on Shibarium thanks to its debut. Since low throughput capacity and expensive gas fees are Ethereum's main critics, this is a major advance. These factors have greatly hindered the growth of the SHIB network. As Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, its transaction speed is still not very good. As a result, improving Shiba Inu scalability is one of Shibarium's goals, along with using Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Aside from lower fees and quicker processing times for transactions, Shibarium provides a number of other advantages. Having said that, the debut of Shibarium will significantly reduce transaction fees. These costs will primarily pertain to the burning of SHIB tokens. Shibarium will provide a method for burning SHIB tokens based on data provided by the network team. Eliminating or drastically reducing the quantity of SHIB could turn it into a utility token. Burn statistics for SHIB show that since the network's introduction, almost 40% of the token supply has been destroyed. But there's still too much token in circulation to make it useful as a utility token. Since decentralized applications dApps are now trending in the cryptocurrency industry, the SHIB team is working hard to make Shibarium a top choice for developers looking to build dApps. According to the developers, Shibarium has the potential to be an integral part of the metaverse. Proponents of the metaverse see it as a paradigm shift in online interaction and the future of the digital world. At the same time, Kusama, the principal developer of SHIB, who prefers to remain unidentified, has promised that the debut of Shibarium would occur soon but has refused to disclose a precise release date. The announcement that the Shibarium debut is imminent is nothing new from Kusama. For months now, he has been making the same points, since the Shibarium will introduce new applications for SHIB. Its launch is expected to increase its price. More applications will make use of SHIB as a result of its faster and more cost-effective transaction processing speeds. Accordingly, once Shibarium is live, the SHIB community anticipates a $0.01 trading price for SHIB. Relatedly, SHIB's creators have stated that testing Shibarium's performance included releasing the highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game early last month. Ryoshi, the fictitious creator of the SHIB, had the idea that bone whale holders should be equal to all other bone holders, but that dream couldn't come true since the ShibaSwap DEX's prize token was bone. Additionally, according to the latest information on the network's website, Shibarium's principal utility token will be bone. Those who own the SHIB utility token bone have a say in how projects are developed. There is a limit of 230 million coins